This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn how you can improve your internal communication with Microsoft Teams. In a previous episode of our Office 365 series, we showed you the online platform for Planner and how you can use it to organize your team and manage your tasks. But did you know that you can use Planner from your Teams portal? In this video, we will show you how to use Planner with Teams and why you should start. You can use Planner in Teams to organize your different tasks for projects, training, events, marketing, and so much more. To start, go to the team and channel you would like to create your new plan in and select the plus button on the header. This allows you to add a new application to your channel. If you are curious about the different apps you can add through Teams, check out our video. For this video, we will be selecting the Planner app. This will open a new window for you to create a new plan or import an existing plan. Choose the second option if you have been using Planner with your team and you are wanting to add your plan to your team and channel. If not, create a new plan by typing out its name and clicking the Save button. You have just created a new plan. Once saved, you will see a new tab populate on your channel's header with the new name you just created. Open the plan by clicking on the tab. Now we need to create tasks and assign them to different users in our team. Before making tasks, you will need to create buckets. These buckets are used to categorize your different tasks by subject, due date, person, project, and more. In our planner, we will be creating different buckets for staff meetings, office events, office projects, office to-dos, and general tasks. Once you have buckets created, you will see an icon underneath that says Add Task. Click on this icon and a new window will pop up where you can add a task name, set a due date, and assign users to the task. When done, click the Add Task button and you will see your task populate in the bucket. You can add more details to your task by clicking on its box. This allows you to change the title, add or remove users, move to a different bucket, change the progress of your task, set priority, change the start and due dates, add notes, add attachments, and add comments. You can also create a checklist from inside the task for indicating how much progress is done on your task or for determining everything that needs to be done on your task before it's completed. To finish a task, click on the circle icon next to the title of your task. This will move your task to the completed bucket. On the board, you are able to manage, edit, and look at all of your tasks. But when you move to the charts board, you can see all the progress of your tasks, what buckets they're assigned to, how many tasks are assigned to each of your members, and other stats. On the schedule board, you can look at all of your tasks on the calendar and see what certain tasks are due. Not only can you view your plans from within your teams and channels, but you can also see your assigned tasks from the Planner page in Teams. On the left-hand side of the Teams window, click on the 3 gray dots and select the Planner app. This will create a new icon for you to select and will open up your Planner window. From here, you can see all the tasks that are assigned to you, and they will automatically be filtered by progress. You can also access this same window from your phone. So, when you're away from your computer, you can always check on your tasks, fill them out, and complete them. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can best use Planner in Teams. If you are running through these steps and it is not working for you, or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.